Probably the products of this company is already in your kitchen, whether you realize it or not. I'm talking about Monde Nissan Corporation. Yes, the company behind Lucky Me noodles, Skyflakes, and even plant-based meat products overseas. But is Monde Nissan still a good investment today, or has the hype already passed? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand how this company actually makes money, what's going right and wrong, and whether this stock deserves to be taken out from your portfolio. Looking at the stock chart of Monde, it has gained momentum starting last quarter of 2025. Pay special attention to the higher highs and you will notice that the stock is going up until today, though it has never escaped the effect of the Middle East war. Now let's look at the company and its businesses. Monde Nissan Corporation has two major business segments. First is Asia Pacific operations. This is the bread and butter of the company and this includes instant noodles like Lucky Me, biscuits like Skyflakes, and packaged food products across the Philippines and nearby markets. This segment is stable, being in the commodity market, profitable, and truly generating cash. The second segment is the meat alternative distributed to international market. This is where things get interesting. They own Corn Foods, a UK-based company that produces plant-based meat. Think about meat-free burgers, vegan nuggets, and sustainable protein. Sounds like the future, right? But wait, there is more. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, Corn Foods. A few years ago, plant-based meat was booming. Companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods were exploding in popularity. So Monde Nissan doubled down on corn. But then growth slowed, costs increased, demand became unpredictable, and suddenly this future growth engine became a drag on profits. This is one of the biggest risks investors need to understand. This is the revenue and net income of the company the past 3 years. As you can see, the revenue and net income of Monde is increasing year on year. But where is the profit of Monde coming from? Instant noodles and biscuits in the Philippines. Yes, simple everyday food. And that's actually a strength because people buy these products regardless of the economy. You can see students, even working professionals consuming these products. They are affordable. That is why these products are commonly available everywhere, especially in sari-sari stores. And the demand is consistent. This gives Monde Nissan predictable cash flow and strong brand loyalty. But here's something that needs to be considered intently. Let's zoom in on the stock itself. Since its IPO, Monde Nissan Corporation has not exactly been a top performer. Some investors think it was overpriced during its launch, expectations were too high, and the corn story didn't deliver. But here's the remarkable part, the core business is still solid. So now the stock sits on a weird place, not a hype stock, which means that it may have the ability to sustain itself in the future, not a disaster since corn is slowly coming out from its losses, but possibly the stock is undervalued. If you're thinking about investing in Monde, focus on these three things. First, its core business strength. Is the Philippines segment still growing? If yes, this is a strong foundation. Then observe Corn Foods. Is there a turnaround on corn? Can Corn Foods recover, or will it continue dragging profits down? And thirdly, margins and costs. Food companies live and die by raw material cost and pricing power. You ought to monitor inflation, wheat prices, and supply chains. The dividend yield of Monde is something exciting. Look closely on the yield column. If you are a dividend investor, Monde is one that should attract you. The company is not only giving dividend, but its dividend yield is growing. Here's the honest truth. Monde Nissan Corporation is not a get-rich-quick stock. It's more like a slow and steady consumer staple business with a risky international bet on corn. If corn improves, there is a huge upside. If it doesn't, the stock might stay stuck for a while as it recovers from corn's losses. So before you invest, ask yourself, do you believe in a long-term demand for instant food? Do you believe in plant-based meat? Because with Monde Nissan, you're basically betting on both. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, honest investing breakdowns. See you in the next one.